Wow. I am a sad panda. The saddest panda in the history of forever. Saddest panda in the history. God, I need to shave my legs. Remind me to go to the 99-cent store and pick up some cheap razors. What am I supposed to do? Shave right now? Do you want it? No, not really. You should smell my shaving cream anyway. Tell it. I'm sitting on your sink. But I can't. Now, pour the tea. Circle. Did you hit? You can have that back. Did you have to rub it outside the circle? Well, if I rubbed it inside the circle, I'd get it all over me. Even more. Having fun? A little bit, yeah. Having fun? Yeah. Did you change your mind about shaving? I know. Look at me, I'm an albino. My watch is all like foam-tastic. Well, no, not yet. You might want to wash your hands first. It doesn't want to come off. All over everything. I know! It's on my shoes. It's on your warm. My watch will be fine. I jumped into a pool. I jumped into the ocean with it on. And it still runs. And it still runs. Hey. Now I can, like, pretend to be whiter than I actually am. You need water to make it. And then people will, like, put more water on your head. And I'll be like, hey! Shut up! I'm albino! Do you have the retarded people? I bet they do. Jerks. More happy. This is a tongue. And these are cat ears. Flying? Flying? Oh. Flying. Go ahead. Hey, I really like the way it feels, like, by itself. I need to pick up some shaving gel. Do you feel sexy? Skin to me or not? Like, for real. Like, skin to me. Or not! I think I'm gonna Put shaving gel on my legs like every day of my life.
To make them shiny.
And delicious and silky and albino-esque, and then I'll like dust them with baby powder. And I'll just like, electricity!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. I look like one of them, their exercise video girls. And then this head, got it on my shoe again. Not that part of my shoe. I'm like gonna lose my balance a little bit.
You have like so...
I know I do!
You have like a huge amount. Like, yeah.
It's your fault!
It's not my fault.
Yeah, it is. You put it all over my legs.
Nope.
Yeah, you did. You're just like...
Look at you, miss them. You have them on your pants.
Yes. Yeah, I do. Yeah. And I also have some on my shoe. I told you I was like screaming, it's on my shoe! It's on my shoe! Oh, look at the baby! They're my baby! I wanted to play with the baby, but he wouldn't let me because he's a mean old meanie. I can tie stuff! I think I'll play with it. She got it. Okay, this feels weird. It's weird.
Like good weird or weird weird?
I don't know.
But weird can sometimes be good.
Because it's like all sticky.
That's what she said.
Yeah, it is. That's also what he said.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it all over your bed.
No!
That's what he said. I'm so vulnerable. You got it all over your arm.
Oh!
Oh, when you did that, you made me... Oh, it made you touch yourself. I don't want anybody about you like I tried so far when you lunge at me, throwing me a tissue, and I can't think about you, I can't think about myself. Improv. Something that it was. Yay! And you're cutting that out. We're not recording anything. Do as I do. This has been a Gamma Brecca. Yay! The end.
Can you even see us? I can't.
Ah!
Boobs.
Stop that. Turn that up.
Turn that up.
Turn that up. Alright, we're leaving now.